Downers Grove South has plenty of gym classes for people to choose from, but there's one unique class. It's called Dual Individual Sports. This class allows you to go off campus for fun and activities such as ice skating, bowling, and archery on block days. Lindsay DeGiulio discusses the benefits for participating for two individual sports.
I'm Lindsay DeGiulio. I am an individual and dual PE teacher. We are at our off-campus location. We are at the Tivoli for bowling. I think the big benefit for this class is during these block periods, they're a long period of time. We're able to travel to different locations around the town. We go bowling, ice skating, we play disc golf, and we hit golf balls. And I think it's a great opportunity for students to get experience with these sports. They're great lifelong sports where many of these students might not try to think about them, but it's a great way to stay active and healthy past DTS years. And it's a great opportunity for them to get out of school, use the time efficiently, and I think they really do enjoy the off-campus locations.
Two students share their opinions about the class and why they chose to do it again.
I chose this class because it's a different experience from other classes. I like going off campus and it's pretty fun, like all like the activities we do in the gym class.
Okay, so I chose to leave this class because I did it last year and I thought it'd be fun to do it again. And I liked a lot of the activities we did, like bowling and ice skating and archery.
Overall, dual individual sports is a fun way to get out of school and do something different than just playing volleyball or basketball. In Downers Grove South with the Blueprint News Network, I'm Damien Lagunas.